Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Super Center, and we're taking a look at the 2020 Ford F-350 in a Lariat trim and powered by a 6.7-liter Power-Stroke Turbo Diesel V8, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, coming with a lift installed and sitting on 35-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires. You've got the fender flares and bulletproof mud flaps on the front and rear, as well as having running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. Underneath, which can be locked at the hinge here for added security. And in the middle, you have fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having two more right there with a 12-volt USB and USB-C, 110-volt power outlet, and heated rear seats. And this truck has a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as having power folding and telescoping towing mirrors, 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and mirrors. Now sitting in the truck with it running, you can see it's sitting at 23,367 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your trip 1 and 2, fuel economy, fuel history, and compass. Then you have your truck info with your gauges, tire pressures, digital speedometer, engine info, transmission temperature, and maintenance monitor. Then you have your towing information, off-road status, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, SiriusXM, Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Digital climate controls with dual zone front climate and heated steering wheel, Bluetooth phone controls, navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your diesel exhaust brake, traction control shutoff, hazards, hill descent assist, and lane keeping system, as well as having a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your physical climate controls, again with dual zone front climate, but also heated and air conditioned front seats. To the left, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and trailer brake controller. And on the right, you have a 12-volt and 110-volt power outlet. Moving down below, you have this compartment here with a USB, USB-C, and wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and your drive mode selector for normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to your center console area, where you have 2 cup holders that can be turned into 4, as well as having your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray. Ton of room inside, including another 12 volt, so you can plug something in from there too. Then looking back, you have a power sliding rear window. Looking up, you have 6 upfitter switches, which can be wired up however you please. And last but not least, you have a twin panel moonroof so you can let in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.